guys, welcome back to Sasha's Kitchen, and today I'll be making spicy Veg Manchurian.
Here are the ingredients that I've taken. Spring onions, finely chopped. Red onions, finely chopped. All-purpose flour. Cilantro. Ginger and garlic. 1 potato cut into little pieces. For the sauces, I have chosen tomato ketchup and spicy garlic sauce, but you can take any spicy sauce that you like. Soy sauce. Salt per your taste. Red chili powder. And cornstarch. For the batter, we're going to put all of our vegetables together and mix it in really well. Next step is to add in the cornstarch. I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons here, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, red chili powder, black pepper powder, which is optional, salt per your taste, and then mix it in. The next step is really important because we want to get the consistency really perfect. I've added in about 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mixed it in. Then again 1/4 cup of water. And about 3 more tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now the batter is done, I'm going to turn on the heat to medium to start frying. I've taken about 2 to 3 cups of oil, and after it is heated, I'm going to put in the mixture. You want to fry them until they're about golden brown so they turn out really crispy. The next step is to make the curry, and I've taken about 2 tablespoons of oil here and put in the ginger garlic. You're going to fry the ginger garlic until it's like golden. Next step is to add in the onions, and we're going to fry this until it's about translucent and you can see through the onions. My next step is going to be to add in the sauces. I've mixed the tomato ketchup and the spicy garlic sauce, but whatever sauces you're using, it'd be good to mix so that it gives you a perfect consistency. And then mix it into the mixture. The next thing I'm going to do is add in the soy sauce. I've taken about 2 teaspoons, and soy sauce is so flavorful. It enhances the texture, it gives a darkening color to your curry, and it'll give a tangy taste in the end. I added about 2 1/4 cups of water. And cook the curry for about 5 to 6 minutes. We're ready to put in the Manchurians, and you're just going to put them all in together and mix it in really well, and then cook it for about 2 to 3 more minutes.
Okay, so now my dish is all done, and I've garnished it with some cilantro, and I'm also going to add a few cashew nuts, but you can also add peanuts to give it a crunchy taste.